We're back in E-Money Garage. Little update, but first we're gonna announce the first giveaway. It's gonna be at the end of the episode, so stick around, watch the full episode. I'll tell you how to enter at the end. We're gonna be getting ready for the Red List series at Bakersfield at the end of August. We got a long list of things to do to the car before. The drive shaft ended up being too short. This is about the 5th time I had to take it down there, get it redone. Now it's pulling out when the rear end moves, and you can hear the splines on the transmission just grinding, and then boom, it'll catch back together. I changed the gears from a 430 to a 411. I pulled out the slave cylinder. Thought that was the cause of my disengagement problems on the clutch. That wasn't the case. So now I'm gonna send back the master cylinder. Hope they're gonna send me a new one. What else? I got the car retuned. It does run better. We're gonna show you a couple of highlights of what happened during the transmission removal to get to the slave. Show you some footage of what happened to my drone. I was trying to introduce the daily driver to the channel, show you guys what I daily drive, and somebody shot my drone out the air. Stick around. That's pretty much it for today. We're gonna be showing you some footage, and then we're gonna show you how to enter the
Oh my.
Oh, you fucking bitch.
Yo, man. It was in your mouth, G? Damn. How's it taste? Tastes like brand new.
Tastes like barbecue sauce.
Does it?
So right here, guys, I'm trying to drain the transmission so I can pull it back and let the fluid out. I guess my idea of letting the drain plug out wasn't the best idea because it shot me in the mouth. As you guys can see, it's late night, getting my edit on with some, I don't even know what these are called, English tea cookies. We're gonna spend a long day. Stay tuned. Water break.
As long as I got the knockouts, man. The knockouts are so good, G. The knockouts.
You got the chicken legs?
Chicken legs.
Look it. He has to get his sweatpants special ordered. Extra small on the bottom, extra large on top.
Knockouts, bro. Come on.
Come on, Duke.
If you'd have had these hands, then you probably would have been a champ right now. What are you talking about?
I'm the champ and knocking Mario out. Tell Mario I said that. Dude, there's something wrong with this.
You can smell gas, motherfucker. It's a big ass.
There's something wrong with this.
Every time he's around this car, he smells gas.
Hey. All right. So, you recording?
Oh, let me get back.
So whoever installed this the first time put this line on here.
Mm-hmm.
And then as you can see right here on the transmission, they just installed it like that. Or maybe, yeah. That's exactly how it was installed. And they smashed it in between the dang bell housing, just like that. Mm-hmm. I don't know who did that.
Okay.
Not me. That one's trash.
So with that happening, what happened? What?
I couldn't bleed the clutch. I kept trying to figure out. I was like, oh, I gotta bleed the clutch. But when I would open the bleeder, nothing would come out. Mm-hmm. So I was like, there's something.
So you was like, what? Let me just put it back
there's
together.
There's something wrong with the slave cylinder. So that's why I was gonna change the slave cylinder. And it comes to find out. Damn.
So when you realized that you couldn't bleed,
I said, fuck it, let me see if it works. And I started the car up and it worked.
okay.
So I just took off rolling, like, whatever.
Real
I'm
G
outta here.
Real G shit. Okay.
I should shift it, I'm gone. I only waited 3 years. I wasn't about to wait no longer.
It's time to get this bitch on the road.
See, that's what. See, here I'm thinking like, man, forget that red Camaro. I'm about to film some stuff that actually runs. Look at this bad boy right here. Yeah, this auto flight mode is pretty cold. Shoot, I just sit here and look at the screen. I ain't gotta control it. This mug's smooth. Ah, why's it cutting off the hood? Dang it. I mean, look, wait, there we go. There we go. Okay, there's the whole car. Damn, we looking clean. Clean. It's about to be a clean video right here. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, shit. Wait, did I just crash? Wait, I did crash. What? Wait, what? And I'm like, man, I just can't get right. Crash my drone, take my stuff to Best Buy, get a new one. No. Took my stuff to Best Buy. Long story short, they didn't want to warranty it. They had to send it out. Well, gotta wait till Monday to take the drive shaft in. Pretty much, I was thinking Drive Shaft Pros in Whittier was gonna do me good by, I don't know, giving me a discount on maybe the 5th drive shaft that I've had made. But no, they called today and said, oh, we talked to the manager, we're gonna charge you full price. I said, what? Full price? Y'all do know that I'm at like $1,000 for fucking one drive shaft that doesn't even fucking fit. And the employee was like, yeah, I understand, but I'm not the manager. I'm like, bitch, well, where's the manager? So manager's not coming back till Thursday, so I gotta go down there and see this fool face to face on Thursday. I don't think he's gonna want to fuck with this today. He's not gonna want to mess with this. As y'all can see, I'm not in the mood to be messed with. But that's gonna conclude our episode for tonight. The first giveaways, we're gonna be giving away $50 of Vbucks for Fortnite. If you guys don't play Fortnite, you can still win. So you just have to like and subscribe and comment on one video. That'll enter you into the contest. We're gonna run it for 1 week. So today is gonna be Tuesday, so we're gonna run it all the way till next Tuesday, then we're gonna pick a winner. If you don't play Fortnite, you could message me and get a gift card for maybe Best Buy, Walmart, AM/PM, Taco Bell, Del Taco, whatever you guys want. If you guys just want the cash, just send me your PayPal, or PayPal's the only thing I got. So send me your PayPal and I'll shoot you $50. So if you guys like what you're seeing, want to see more, you don't understand what's going on, let me know. Maybe in the comments, that's part of the giveaway. You have to comment. So comment in the video, say, hey, I don't understand what you're doing. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? Why do your videos suck? I don't know. Come up with something creative. I'm gonna think of a good way to pick a winner. I don't know if I'm gonna try to do something random. That way everybody doesn't feel like I just picked somebody that I know. But we only have like, what, 46 subscribers, so it should be easy. Somebody I know should win. I would tell you guys to share this post, but that'll decrease your chance of winning. But peace.